Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, what do you usually do after work?
Honestly, the first thing I do is go home.
That makes sense. Are you usually tired after work?
Very tired, especially after a busy day. When I get home, I just want to sit down.
I know that feeling. Do you change your clothes first?
Yes, I put on something comfortable. Then I drink some water.
What about food? Are you hungry when you get home?
Almost always.
Almost always?
Okay, always. I'm usually very hungry.
What do you normally eat?
Sometimes I cook, but honestly, sometimes I order food.
What kind of food do you order?
Usually something quick, maybe rice and chicken or noodles, sometimes a burger.
A burger after work?
Yes, why not?
Because you just told me you're trying to eat healthier.
I am. The burger is my emotional support.
I don't think that's how healthy eating works.
I'm still learning.
Fair enough. So after you eat, what do you usually do?
I relax for a while. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I watch videos on my phone.
What kind of videos?
Funny videos, cooking videos, travel videos. It depends on my mood.
Do you ever fall asleep on the couch?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay, more often than sometimes. I'm usually very tired.
I understand. I like relaxing after work too, but I usually go for a walk.
A walk? After work?
Yes, just 20 or 30 minutes. It helps me clear my mind.
That's a good idea.
Do you exercise after work?
Sometimes I go to the gym, but not every day.
Why not?
Because sometimes my bed wins.
Your bed?
Yes. It says, Dave, you've worked hard today. Stay here.
Oh, Dave.
It's very persuasive.
I can imagine. So, do you usually stay home after work?
Most of the time, but sometimes I meet a friend. We get coffee or we have dinner together.
That sounds nice. Do you like going out after work?
I do, but only when I still have energy.
That's the problem. After a long day, you want to see your friends, but you also want your couch.
Exactly. It's a difficult decision.
So, what usually wins?
My couch.
I knew it. But what happens when you get home earlier than usual? When you get home early, what do you usually do?
If I have extra time, I usually cook dinner.
Oh, really? What do you like to cook?
Something simple. Maybe rice and chicken. Sometimes pasta.
Do you enjoy cooking after work?
Sometimes. It depends on how tired I am.
I know what you mean. Cooking can be relaxing, but not when you're really tired.
Exactly. Sometimes I look at the kitchen and think, nope, not today.
That's honest. What do you do then?
I order food.
Of course.
It's quick, and I don't have to clean many dishes.
That's a good reason. What about you? What do you usually do after work? I usually go home first. I change my clothes, then I drink some water. After that, I might take a short walk.
Do you walk every day?
Not every day, but I try to. It helps me relax.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet.
I like that. After work, my head can feel really busy.
Same here. That's why I like doing something simple. I don't want to think about work anymore.
Exactly. Work is finished. Now it's time to relax.
What about your phone? Do you check it when you get home?
Yes, probably too much.
What do you check?
Messages, social media, sometimes emails.
Emails after work?
Sometimes.
You should stop checking work emails at night.
I know, but sometimes I just want to see if something important happened.
And usually?
Usually nothing happened.
That's exactly why you shouldn't check.
You're probably right.
Do you spend much time with friends after work?
Sometimes, maybe once or twice a week.
What do you usually do?
We get dinner, or we get coffee. Sometimes we just sit and talk.
I like that. You don't always need a big plan.
Exactly. Sometimes a simple dinner is enough.
Do you ever go straight from work to meet your friends?
Yes, sometimes we meet near the office.
Is that convenient?
Very. Then I don't have to go home first.
That saves time.
Yeah, but sometimes I forget something.
Like what?
My wallet.
Oh, Dave.
I know. It's happened before.
What did you do?
I called my friend. I said, "Can you pay for dinner?" He laughed for about 5 minutes.
I would too.
Thanks for the support.
You're welcome. What time do you usually have dinner?
Around 7.
That's early. What time do you eat?
Around 8 or 9.
That's pretty late.
I know. I need to change that.
Maybe start with 8?
8 sounds reasonable.
Good. Small changes are easier.
That's true. After dinner, I usually relax again.
TV?
TV or my phone. Sometimes I read.
Do you ever do housework?
Yes, but I don't enjoy it.
Nobody says, "Wow, I can't wait to wash dishes."
Exactly.
But you still have to do it.
Unfortunately.
So after work, you mostly eat, relax, and spend some time with friends.
That's pretty much my routine.
That sounds nice. But there's one thing I'm curious about.
What?
What do you usually do before you finally go to bed? What do you usually do before bed?
I usually take a shower. Then I put on comfortable clothes.
Do you watch anything?
Sometimes. I might watch a short video, or maybe half of a TV show.
Half?
Yeah, I usually fall asleep before the end.
That happens to me sometimes too.
After that, I usually check my alarm.
How many alarms?
1.
Only one?
Okay, 2.
I don't believe you.
Fine, 3.
I knew it.
I really don't want to be late.
That's probably a good reason. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11.
That's not too late.
I try not to stay up too late.
Do you usually sleep well?
Most of the time, but sometimes I think about work.
I know that feeling. It can be hard to relax when you're still thinking about work.
Exactly. That's why I try to finish everything before I leave the office.
That's a good habit. Once you leave work, you should have some time for yourself.
Yeah, I think that's important.
What do you enjoy most about your evenings?
Honestly, having no schedule.
What do you mean?
I can eat when I want, I can watch something, I can talk to a friend, or I can just sit down.
That sounds nice.
After being busy all day, I like having some quiet time.
Me too. I think evenings are a chance to slow down.
Exactly.
Do you ever exercise after work?
Sometimes. If I have enough energy, I go to the gym.
What time do you go?
Usually around 6.
And if you're too tired?
I go home.
Fair enough.
I don't want to force myself every day.
That's true. Sometimes rest is important too.
Exactly. My goal is to have a good balance.
Work, exercise, food, and rest.
Yes, and coffee.
Of course.
You knew that was coming.
I did.
What about weekends? Do you do the same things after work?
Not really. On weekends, I have more free time.
So what do you do?
Sometimes I meet friends. Sometimes I cook something nice. Sometimes I just stay home.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. But on work days, I prefer a simple evening.
Same here. I'm usually tired.
What's the first thing you want when you get home?
A shower, then food, then the couch.
In that order?
Absolutely.
That's a very clear routine.
I don't like making difficult decisions after a long day.
I understand. Sometimes you just want to follow your routine.
Exactly.
And after your couch time, you start getting ready for bed.
Yes. Then I set my alarm, put my phone away, and try to sleep.
That sounds pretty healthy.
I'm trying.
That's what matters.
Actually, I think I should change one thing.
What?
I should spend less time on my phone after work.
I agree. Maybe use that time to relax without a screen.
That sounds like a good idea.
So tomorrow, what are you going to do after work?
I think I'll go home first. I'll change my clothes. Then I'll make dinner.
What are you going to make?
Probably chicken and rice. It's easy. And I don't need many ingredients.
That sounds good. Are you going to exercise tomorrow?
Maybe. If I have enough energy, I'll go to the gym.
And if you're tired?
I'll take a rest day.
Good answer. You don't have to exercise every day.
Exactly. I think the important thing is balance.
I agree. Work is important, but you also need time to relax.
That's what I like about evenings. The workday is over. I can finally slow down.
Do you think you spend enough time relaxing?
Probably not. Sometimes I spend too much time looking at my phone.
What could you do instead?
I could read. I could take a walk. Or I could listen to music.
Those sound better than scrolling for hours.
You're right. Sometimes I open my phone for 5 minutes and suddenly it's been an hour.
I know that feeling.
It's dangerous.
Very. So maybe your new after-work routine should be a little different.
Okay, let's make a simple plan.
What's the plan?
Get home, change clothes, have some water, make dinner, take a short break, then maybe exercise or take a walk. After that, I can relax without my phone.
That sounds great. And what time will you go to bed?
Around 11.
And how many alarms?
2.
Cindy.
Dave. Okay, 3.
At least you're honest.
What about you? What do you usually do after work?
I like to keep my evenings simple. I usually go home, change into comfortable clothes, and have dinner.
Do you cook every night?
Not every night. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food.
So we're the same.
Sometimes. After dinner, I like to take a short walk. Then I might read or watch something.
Do you check your phone?
A little, but I try to put it away later.
That's a good habit.
It helps me sleep better.
I should try that too.
Small changes can make a big difference.
That's true.
I think the best thing is to find a routine that works for you.
Exactly. Not everyone has the same routine.
Some people like going to the gym. Some people want quiet time. Some people like meeting friends.
And some people want their couch.
Especially you.
Dave, my couch understands me.
I knew you would say that.
It's a healthy relationship.
Okay, Dave, I'll let you have that one.
I think I've got a better after-work routine now.
Me too. And maybe tomorrow we can both try to spend a little less time on our phones.
Deal.
Good. Then we can relax, enjoy dinner, and have a quiet evening.
That sounds perfect.
Sometimes that's all you need after a long day.
Exactly. Work is work, but after work, you should have some time for yourself.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.